Question is, the decomposition of hydrocarbon follows the equation K is equal to 4.51011 per second into e power minus 28,000 K by T. Calculate the value of EA. It might look very hard after seeing this question, but trust me, it is very simple. It is okay. Let me get to the answer first. So it is just in this, we have to just catch what it is written, what form it is written in. So it is basically the Arrhenius equation. It is written, so K is equal to A E power minus EA by RT. Okay. So it is given that K is equal to this entire equation. So we can easily see that, just compare this equation with this equation. Okay. You can easily point out that A has the value of 4.51011 per second, and just see the power of E. So minus EA by RT is given by minus 28,000 K by T. Okay. So we will just compare it. EA by RT is equal to this much. Okay. So activation energy is 28,000 into R. R has the value of 8.314 in its SI unit. So we will get the value of activation energy as 232.792 kg per mole.